Hello my dear students, welcome back to the lecture. In this lecture I am going to show you how to add music in your whiteboard animation. In reality, if you want, you can use any type of music from your hard disks or you can direct use software audio library. But remember that for using audio library, you have to internet on your PC or Mac. Even you can use any music as a background music. Alright, let's play. To add any music, at first you have to click on music icon like this. After that you will get this type interface. Now if you want, you can use this option. Please see, this is import mp3. I simply hit on here. By this option you can upload any mp3 file from your Mac or PC. Indeed right now I don't want to upload any mp3 file from my PC. That's why I close it. Even you may use this option. Actually, if you have any web URL of mp3, that time you can simply paste the link in here. Okay, I just close it. And finally you can use their audio library. Literally there are lots of music collection available. You can pick anything as you wish. You can check their page from here. Even you can select category. Suppose I like pop. Even you may use short by name. Think so I like this one, short, slow, fast. And you must select this option, loop friendly track. Because if you select the loop option, that time the music will be matched properly with your animation. Okay, now I'm selecting this one. Before adding any music, you can check it by clicking here, like this. Okay, I just stop it. Finally, you have to click tick sign. Yes, the music has been added. Alright, now we'll see a preview. Simply follow me guys. I'm hit on here. Yes, the music worked properly. Therefore, I guess in this way, you may add any music in your whiteboard animation. In the next lecture, I will show you how to add voiceover in video script. So stay connected for the best result.